As long as I don't put holes in the roof. Alright, so welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are introducing a new project. We are not in the garage right now. We are in my wife's library. As you can see, the books, all of these boxes are full of books. And right now it's kind of hard to buy decent bookshelves. Well, normally hard to buy decent bookshelves that are affordable. Right now it's extremely bad because everything's super expensive and you just can't get them. Long lead times and not great. So we decided to build them. Upcoming project, we're building bookshelves. So what I did, drew them up in CAD. Jessica found a nice pair of bookshelves she liked online. She liked the design and stuff. We looked at them, we thought about buying them, but they were really chintzy and not very good quality. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna wrap all the way around these two walls in shelving. So I broke out CAD and drew up the plans for the shelves. They will have an upright, which we'll look at in just a second. I've actually already started building some of them. So I'll have an upright. The shelves will be 2x12s. Then you have the uprights and then the corner piece and all the way along. So they're modular. Right now, for the time being, we're only building these three pieces here. And then eventually we'll add on the other pieces. So the cool thing about this is, this project is you will be able to buy these prints on my Etsy shop. So if you want to build your own, you'll be able to buy them on Etsy. And then I will go throughout the next series of videos how to build the uprights. So this is obviously an end upright, one of the ends. So this goes here. Well, we'll move over here where we've actually got a wall. So what happens is the bottom, you set the bottom a certain distance from the wall, and it just sits there. There's nothing that ties the bottom in, and then the top goes up and it pushes against the wall, and then there's a piece of strap that goes across the wall. It'll bolt to this one, go across and bolt into the next one, and then you can go wherever your studs are. You can drill a hole through and connect the bookshelves to the studs. And then your shelves here, so our 2x12s, because it gives you about an 11 and a quarter inch deep shelf. They will sit on these, get screwed in, and you'll be able to do pull-ups on the bookshelves with no concern of them falling apart. So again, here is a piece that goes in the middle. Here, I actually haven't capped that. So again, upcoming videos, I'll go through the building process on these. I kind of got excited about this and built a couple to begin with. Figured out before I had to figure it out on camera. And that one goes there. So just to see how, just show you kind of what's in my head. As long as I don't put holes in the roof. So they go like that. And there's your shelves. If you want to expand them, you can take this, you build another one of these, take this piece out, you move it down, you put another one in the middle, and you expand them for the corner. Then for our corner piece here, we're going to have our upright here and our upright here, and I've got all the dimensions and everything on the prints of how to cut the board that goes across the corner here, so it'll look like a seamless, more or less seamless wrap around the room of the bookshelves. So that's the exciting new project we got coming up. And then in addition to building shelves in here, we're changing the paint. We're testing out some paint colors. See what kind of colors we like in here. Wanted something that goes with the curtains. That's Jessica's department, not mine. And yeah, so it's gonna be the library, the exercise room, and then eventually, one day, a little bit lower priority, we're gonna end up putting a set of doors in here with a little window above it and everything. So it'll be really, really nice little library. So that's what we got upcoming. This is the upcoming project. I've been working in the yard all day. I'm putting in a sprinkler system. I decided not to do a video on that because it'd probably be pretty boring. And a lot of video of me digging holes. And I'm sure you can look up plenty of videos online of people digging holes. Not exciting. So that's about what we got going on. That's an exciting new project. Yeah, so fun little fabrication project. The uprights are all reclaimed steel, and then our angle iron I had to buy, but it'll be cool. So thanks for watching.